This is 4 fingering groups for 12 major scales and singing along to 15 major scale series.
Lesson 9. Black key fingering, B and C flat major scales. Lesson 1 introduced the 4 fingering groups. Lesson 2 presented the single sound letter name solfege system for all musical accidental notes. Lesson 3 used the C major scale to illustrate the 5 characteristics of common fingering.
Lessons 4, 5, 6, and 7 utilize the common fingering characteristics in D, E, G, and A major scales.
Lesson 8 went to 11 o'clock on the circle of fifths and showed the F major scale using 9-finger fingering. In this lesson 9, we'll return clockwise to the E major scale and continue to B and C flat major scales, an inharmonic pair. We'll soon illustrate what they are. Their fingering can be considered as a transition from the 9-finger fingering method to the black key fingering method. Before proceeding to the scale, I'd like to express my deep appreciation to Rui Tui, who asked me a question. Could your creation be simply called the letter name solfege? What a brilliant idea! Thank you so much, Rui Tui. I really appreciate your and other viewers' comments and supports, and I'm adopting your suggestion. This series includes 14 videos, each video in both English and Chinese versions. 8 were published already, and 6 remaining videos didn't get a chance to publish yet before I traveled to where I am now with no access to YouTube. I will update the 6 remaining videos by improving the single name solfege name to single sound letter name solfege. You may still briefly call it the single sound solfege, or more precisely, the letter name solfege. Today is August 15th, 2023. It would probably be 1 or 2 months later when I can finally upload the remaining videos to YouTube. Let's come back to the scales. This long video has lots of content. In addition to our routine scale analysis, singing along with the new single sound letter name, playing 2 and 4 octaves, I will also summarize the special points of playing black keys, as well as explaining inharmonic major scales. The ascending scale of B major is B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and B. With 5 sharp notes, the note names are quite cumbersome, while the letter name solfege is very simple. B, Si, Di, Yi, Fi, Gai, I, and B. Right hand still uses the common fingering 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the left hand uses 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, not using the pinky. It uses 9 fingers like the F major scale but with opposite fingering. The descending scale of B major is B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, and B. Straightforward in their letter name solfege. B, I, Gai, Fi, Yi, Di, Si, B. As the note name and letter name solfege, the fingering is also mirror image of the ascending scale. Let's play on a piano. Right hand first. Common fingering. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 下行 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1。根音和母音都用一指或者无名指来弹，第3和第6个音符都用中指来弹。Now someone may ask, B major scale is played by 9 fingers, right hand 5 fingers, left hand 4 fingers, and the right hand follows the common fingering rules, just as the left hand of F major scale. Left hand uses 4 fingers as the right hand of F major scale too, so it can be called as the 9-finger fingering along with the F major scale, right? But why is it called the black key fingering? This is a very good question. Before playing the left hand of a B major scale, let's address this question. Let's look at the relationship of our fingers and the piano case. Our thumbs grow near our wrists, while our finger 2, 3, and 4 extend further out. On a piano, the white keys are longer and closer to our wrists, while the black keys are shorter, far away from our wrists. The black keys are also narrower but higher. The white keys are lower. They are wide at the front of the piano keyboard near our wrist, but at the back of the keyboard, the white keys are caught by the black keys, become narrow but still low, so hard to play. Black keys are narrow too, but taller, easier to play than the narrow white keys next to them. However, they're too far away from our thumbs, therefore it is inconvenient to play a black key with the thumb, unless the whole hand extend further out. If most of your notes are white keys and you must play quite a few white keys immediately afterwards, you'll have to shift your whole hand to the white key area at the front again. For piano beginners, it is important to reduce unnecessary hand and finger movement. As such, normally you should avoid using a thumb to play a black key, unless most of your notes are black key notes. In that case, your hands are placed quite forward most of the time. More importantly, you should never force a thumb to go beneath another finger in a wide white key area at the front to immediately play a tall black key far away. In addition, the black keys are organized in groups of 2 and 3 keys. Our fingers 2, 3, and 4 naturally extend further and can reach the black keys easily. Therefore, at the 2 black key area, we normally use the fingers 2 and 3 to play, and at the 3 black key area, we use fingers 2, 3, and 4 to play. This makes it easy for a thumb to go beneath other fingers or other fingers to pass over a thumb. These result in 2 special points about black key fingering. A. Not to use a thumb to play a black key, unless most of your notes are black keys. Especially don't force a thumb under another finger in a wide white key area to immediately play a tall black key far away. B. Use fingers 2 and 3 to play keys at the 2 black key area and use fingers 2, 3, and 4 at the 3 black key area. B major scale obeys the black key fingering. It is not like it does not obey the common fingering. As a matter of fact, all major scales obey the 1st, 4th, and 5th rules of the common fingering. It happens that the right hand of B major scale obeys all the 5 rules of the common fingering, as the left hand of F major scale. The left hand of B major scale does not obey the 2nd and 3rd rule of the common fingering. Both hands of B and C flat major scale pair, along with the next 2 pairs, F sharp and G flat, and C sharp and D flat major scales, play many black keys, and highlight the importance of the 2 black key fingering points. In addition, B and C flat major scale pair is far away from the F major scale on the circle of the 5th, but next to the next 2 inharmonic pairs. That's why it makes more sense to group the 3 inharmonic major scale pair together and call their fingering the black key fingering, even though it is not wrong at all to call the B and C flat major scale fingering as the 9-finger fingering along with the F major scale. The note names of scales with many black keys are cumbersome to say, but these scales are not necessarily hard to play on the piano. Some may be easier to play. B major scale is the perfect example. It's said that Chopin believed B major scale fits our hand structure the best and is thus the easiest to play among all major scales. His students learned B major scale the first. C major scale, white keys only, was often taught after most scales with both black and white keys. Let's examine the right hand of B major scale. It truly follows the 2 black key fingering points. Thumbs do not play black keys far away, just play the wide white keys at the front. And the 2 black key area is played by fingers 2 and 3. The 3 black key area is played by fingers 2, 3, and 4. Now left hand. Because the second and third notes are black keys, need to use fingers 3 and 2. We're using finger 4 to play the first note, B. Left hand fingering, ascending. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Descending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Solfege. B, si, di, e, fi, gai, I, b, I, gai, fi, e, di, si, b. Both hands. Unless you play very slowly, it is not comfortable at all to sing along with the note names of 5 sharp notes. Singing in a fixed do, do, re, mi requires some conversion and is not straightforward. Singing in a movable do, do, re, mi will lose the one-to-one relationship among the singing sounds, the note names, the pitches, the staff symbols, and the piano keys. With the single sound letter name solfege, 5 sharp notes rhyme with 5 vowel sound of I. It's easy and fun. B, si, di, e, fi, gai, I, b, I, gai, fi, e, di, si, b. It's time to play 2 octaves. Legends of fingering symbols are in lesson 3. 3 and 4 octaves will be played at the end of the video. Knowing the B major scale already, let's look at the C flat major scale. Ascending, C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, and C flat again. All 7 notes are flat. Descending, C flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, F flat, E flat, D flat, and C flat again. C flat major scale has 7 flat notes. Their note names are totally different from the 2 natural and 5 sharp notes of B major scale. They look flatly different on the staff and trombone music sheet, but they are called an enharmonic pair of scales. Or they are more or less the same. What's going on? Let's use piano to check whether these 2 major scales are kind of the same thing. You may use any musical instrument. On a simple version, piano keys have 17 note names, 7 white keys, each have 1 note name, 5 black keys, each have 2 common names. These are enough for the B major scale. I marked the piano keys for B major scale. Red letters indicate the root name or the tonic. Other notes used. If a natural note, I change the note name to blue found and add a blue dot. If an accidental note, I change the note name to cyan found and add a cyan dot. 7 notes, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, use 2 white keys, B and E, and all the 5 black keys. The root name is played and marked twice, but for note and key number counting, only count once, okay? In order to mark the C major scale, we need a more comprehensive note name chart. Each white key has 3 note names, so does each black key, with 1 black key as an exception. The black key between 2 black keys has only 2 note names. Thus, 12 piano keys in 1 octave have 35 note names. Marking the B major scale on such a comprehensive note name chart, it is this. How about a C flat major scale on such a note name chart? All 7 notes of the C flat major scale are flat, but there are only 5 black keys in each piano key zone. That means 2 flat notes use 2 white keys. They are C flat and F flat. Use the same white keys as the B and E notes respectively. In other words, although B and C flat major scales have totally different note names, and they look flatly different on the staff and trombone music sheet, they use the same piano keys and the same sequences. Therefore, they have the same pitches and sound exactly the same, and therefore they are called an enharmonic major scale pair. Although enharmonic equivalents, they do have different key signature names and note names, and must have some slightly different usage in music. However, we amateurs probably don't need to know more. In addition, B major scale has 2 natural notes and 5 sharp notes. They are easier to say, to write, or to communicate than the 7 flat notes in C flat major scale. Therefore, B major scale may be more commonly used than C major scale. It is beyond our topic though. Since C flat major scale uses the same piano keys and the same key sequence as the B major scale, their fingering are the same, so we don't need to repeat the fingering method. They do share other similarities too. 1. It's very hard to sing with the note name directly unless you play very slowly. 2. The movable do solfege loses the one-to-one relationship among the note name, the pitch, the piano key, and the solfege. 3. The fixed do solfege use confusing pronunciations between the natural note, the sharp note, and the flat note. 4. The single sound letter name solfege makes singing along super easy. Let's play C flat major scale on the piano. 右手。三单言分根按半三半按根分言单三。Fingering 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3. The root note C flat and another flat note K F flat. Both are using white piano keys, but because they are accidental notes, I marked them with cyan found and cyan dots. Same color as one on the 5 black keys. Left hand. 三单言分根按半三半按根分言单三。Fingering 4 3 2 1 4 3 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Both hands. 三单言分根按半三半按根分言单三。The 7 an sound, flatly different from any vowel sound of any natural, sharp, double sharp, or double flat note, clearly announce the 7 flat notes. Once you hear them, you know immediately that those notes are from the C flat major scale or maybe G sharp minor scale, which we'll learn someday. Of course, I'm sharing the staff note and fingering of 2 octaves. You may screenshot or leave a message to ask for the chart for free. When you are smooth and stable with 2 octaves, you can practice 3, 4, and even 5 octaves. Here I was practicing 4 octaves last year. B and C flat major scales are played exactly in the same way. They sound the same too. This long video is for our first pair of enharmonic major scales, B and C flat. Next lesson will be for the second enharmonic major scales, F sharp and G flat. Among 4 major scale fingering method, you have learned 3. It's such a great achievement. Yay! Your watching, commenting, and subscription are big encouragements for me. Thanks for your companionship.